Welcome back to Beyond Days of the Reef. In the last episode, we explored the Moray Coral Reef LTER, why it's super important, and the super special ecosystem that it studies, the coral reef. Now, we're going to be diving into some of the research going on in Moray.
Now, get ready as we explore the questions that the MCR LTER are looking into to help us better understand coral reefs. The coral reef is what scientists are extremely interested in, as it is such a unique and special habitat. Because of this, a majority of research is done on the reefs and the different types of species that call the reef their home. The MCR LTER is especially interested in what are the major factors that influence reef growth, how reefs are affected by major pulse disturbances, which are things like coral bleaching and a surge in coral predator population, and how humans play a role in all of this by either recreational diving or fishing in the reefs. Scientists answer these questions by doing research. Speaking of research, like I mentioned before, UCSB students, some of which are reefers, have been able to go to the MCR LTER to do their own research project. This past year, our lead aquarist, Ali Appling, got to go to Moray to perform undergraduate research. Ali is actually going to be putting up her own Beyond the Days of the Reef series on her experience at the MCR LTER and go into how awesome scientific diving in the tropics is, which is super exciting to look forward to. If you're interested in diving in with her, be sure to check out her videos, which will be linked below as soon as possible. Another research project done by a fellow reefer, Daniel Baldwin, on the MCR LTER is this one. His project focuses on coral health in relation to environmental stressors. This ties into one of the three main focuses the MCR LTER is researching that I mentioned before. His project falls under the category of research looking into major pulse disturbances. In this project, he looked at how nutrients and predation from parrotfish affect coral health. His project concluded that too many nutrients and predation from the parrotfish resulted in mortality in corals. The MCR LTER has many research projects going on at once to further our understanding of the super special ecosystem found in Moray. This research helps them find answers to questions like how reefs are changing over a long period of time. Projects like the one seen in the top left-hand corner, which has a timeline underneath, are being conducted to monitor the coral, algae, and fish population, and how those factors play into the growth of the reef. Other projects the MCR LTER are working on also include monitoring how different water temperatures and water chemistry affect the health of the coral. The MCR LTER is currently conducting projects that fall into the theme of reef resilience and how the changing climate will be affecting how reefs look and influence our ocean in the future. Reef ecosystems are extremely important to our oceans, and the research being done is the key to helping us understand what's going on within them.
There are so many awesome research projects going on at the MCR LTER, and if you would like to go more in depth or look into a specific project, then feel free to click on the link below that will take you to the MCR LTER research page. Thank you so much for joining me on this Beyond Days of the Reef, and make sure you tune in next week for more Tropical Thursday fun. Bye!